Fitness tips for a happy lifestyle. Exercise is not just about building a perfectly toned body or achieving an athlete's prowess, it is the key to unlocking a healthier and happier life. Regular physical activity plays a pivotal role in maintaining overall well-being, and its benefits extend beyond the physical realm. From boosting mood and reducing stress to preventing chronic diseases, the positive effects of exercise are boundless. In this article, we will delve into the various aspects of exercise, its types, benefits, and how you can incorporate it into your daily life. So, let's get moving towards a healthier you. Why exercise matters. In our modern sedentary lifestyle, physical activity has taken a back seat, leading to an array of health issues. Lack of exercise has been linked to obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic ailments. Engaging in regular exercise not only helps in weight management, but also enhances cardiovascular health. Moreover, exercise has a profound impact on mental health, reducing anxiety and depression while promoting a positive outlook on life. Types of exercise. Exercise is not confined to one-size-fits-all. It comes in various forms, each catering to specific aspects of fitness. Aerobic exercises, such as running, cycling, and swimming, elevate the heart rate and improve cardiovascular endurance. Strength training, on the other hand, focuses on building muscles and bone density, essential for maintaining strength as we age. Flexibility exercises, like yoga and stretching, enhance mobility and reduce the risk of injuries. Lastly, balance exercises help improve stability, particularly crucial for older adults to prevent falls. Creating an exercise routine. Before jumping into any workout routine, it's vital to set realistic fitness goals. Whether you aim to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve flexibility, defining your objectives will keep you focused. A well-rounded workout plan should incorporate different types of exercises to achieve overall fitness. However, it's essential to listen to your body and avoid overtraining. Rest and recovery are equally important to allow your muscles to heal and grow stronger. Starting an exercise program. For beginners, starting an exercise program can be daunting. The key is to begin slowly and gradually increase the intensity. Seeking guidance from fitness professionals can be beneficial, as they can help design a personalized workout plan based on your fitness level and goals. Additionally, common barriers such as lack of time or motivation can be addressed through proper planning and dedication. Exercising at home. If hitting the gym isn't your cup of tea, exercising at home is a convenient and effective option. Home workouts require minimal equipment and can be tailored to fit your schedule. Investing in basic equipment like resistance bands, dumbbells, or a yoga mat can expand your exercise options significantly. You can follow online workout videos or fitness apps that provide guided sessions for a variety of exercises. Exercising outdoors. Stepping outside and embracing nature while exercising can be a refreshing experience. Outdoor workouts not only add variety but also provide a mental boost. Activities like hiking, cycling, or playing sports in the park engage both body and mind. The change of scenery can make workouts more enjoyable and help you stay committed to your fitness routine. Exercise for different age groups. Exercise is beneficial at every stage of life, and it's never too early or too late to start. Tailoring exercise routines according to age is vital for safety and effectiveness. Children should focus on play-based activities to develop motor skills, while adults can explore various exercises to meet their fitness goals. For seniors, low-impact exercises that improve balance and flexibility are particularly beneficial. Exercise and stress management. When life gets overwhelming, exercise can be a powerful stress buster. Physical activity triggers the release of endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which uplift mood and reduce stress and anxiety. Combining mindfulness practices, such as yoga or Tai Chi, with exercise can further enhance relaxation and mental well-being. Incorporating exercise into a busy lifestyle. Time constraints are often cited as barriers to exercise. However, with a bit of creativity, it's possible to fit exercise into a busy schedule. Short but intense workouts, such as high-intensity interval training, (HIIT), can be effective in a limited time frame. Additionally, making small changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during lunch breaks can add up to significant physical activity throughout the day.